Greetings, greetings, greetings. I am going to share with you how to take a withdrawal. So you are going to go down to, first of all, it has to be at least $10 for that withdrawal. So anytime you have money in your blue USDT wallet, you can take out money. So you're going to go, the first thing you need to do is you do need to set up your payment account. So you're going to go on for the first time, and this is the only time you have to do that, is to set up your payment account. So you want to go to transactions and then payment account, okay? When you go get into the payment account, you're then going to select create crypto account. This is to put your wallet in there, and you're going to give it a name. So I'm going to give mine a name. I'm going to use my CoinZoom. I already have it in here, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it anyway. So I'm going to give it, I'm going to say Marshanda's CoinZoom. And then what you want to do down here, the next one is you're going to pull this down and you're going to select USDT TRC20, just to make sure that you are going to be going with the USDT that's issued on the Tron network. So that address needs to be a TRC address. And so then what you do is you go out and get your address from whatever, and I'll show you how to do it with CoinZoom so you know how to do that. So I'm going to go to my CoinZoom account. I already have it open. Go to my CoinZoom account, and then I'm going to go to, I'll go to portfolio so you can see how I do it. You're going to go to TRC USDT, and you can see that that's a tether one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to receive. I'm going to get the receive wallet. And this is going to tell you can only send, TRC trend. And then you say, I understand. And then it'll ask you, are you using an Ethereum network or Tron network? You want to select Tron network. Okay. Just making sure you guys are following me. So you select the Tron network, and there is the address. So I can just copy the address. It's now copied. And then we'll go back to iPrime Capital, and we'll go ahead and we'll put that address back, paste that address in here as the wallet address, which I already have pasted. And then you're going to go down and say confirm. Very simple, paste your wallet address. So it tells me that wallet address already exists because I already have it in there. So that's fine. Your wallet address will be here. And so you'll see it. Now let's go ahead and initiate the refund or the withdrawal. So you're going to go to withdrawal, transactions, and then withdrawals once your wallet is in there. And you're going to select the amount that you want to withdraw. It's going to tell you how much is available. I'm only going to do $20 because this is just a test for you guys to see. I don't really need anything. And it's going to ask you withdrawal charges. It's going to be $3. It's going to ask you which wallet. So it's a pull down here. If you have multiple wallets in there, you can select that wallet. I'm going to select my CoinZoom wallet. It's going to tell you that it's a $3 charge to withdraw. So you're going to go ahead and withdraw. And then you're going to go ahead and say, send code. They're going to send the code to your email. So I'm going to go to my email and I'm going to get that code. So just hold 1 second while I get that code from my email, guys. All right, so I have the code. I'm going to go ahead and throw the code in there, and I'm going to hit submit. That's it. And it says your withdrawal request successfully. Your withdrawal request will be processed, was processed successfully. So you'll see that little green thing letting you know it was done successfully. And so that's basically it. That's all you need to do. And then we can go into our Tron wallet back in CoinZoom. I would say, we'll give it an hour, maybe 2 hours. They say within 24 hours, but it doesn't take that long, especially with USDT. So that's it. That's as simple as it is. That's how you get you can request a withdrawal. And then I can go back to my dashboard. Go back to your dashboard and you can see that I had $26. I now have $6, right? And so I can also go to my CoinZoom and refresh and see if it came in there already, or we'll just check back here in an hour or so. But that's how simple it is. Not hard to withdraw. Just look for my Tether account or portfolio. I'll refresh my balances. And it actually doesn't take long at all. It'll show up here. So that's it. That's not a huge, big thing. It's so simple to take it out, and same thing for putting it in. This is the wallet I would suggest to use, CoinZoom, because you can actually swap out any coins. Last night I sent over some LTC, some Litecoin, and we swapped it for TRC, USDT Tether on the Tron network. So you can put any coin in here and do the swapping. So there you go. That's it, dear. All right. I have now come back here, and you can see that the money has arrived in my USDT Tether account. So it is here in my wallet. It did come, and I had two Zooms in between. So this has been about an hour. I put that in maybe an hour ago. So I don't know when it exactly came. So how long did it actually take, but it was less than an hour. So I did in fact get it. The withdrawal is here. You can see that. Before, remember, I only had $17. My withdrawal was $17, and now I have $34. Okay, so there you go. Just wanted to share that with you guys so that you can see it does work. You will get your money here in my CoinZoom account, and then I can take it from CoinZoom back to my bank or however. Okay, all right, there you go. Awesome.